Have you ever stood at the edge of the ocean, feeling the cool breeze on your face and the sand beneath your feet, and wondered what secrets lie beneath the waves? The ocean stretches out endlessly, its surface hiding a world that most of us will never see. The sea isn't just a vast, empty space, it's a hidden world, teeming with life and mystery. Every inch of it is alive, from the shallow reefs bursting with color to the deepest trenches cloaked in darkness. Deep below, in darkness and crushing pressure, creatures have evolved unique survival strategies and biochemistry. Some glow in the pitch black, others withstand conditions that would destroy anything from the surface. What if the cure for cancer has been waiting for us in these depths, hidden in the arms of the ocean? Imagine a medicine, more powerful than anything we've ever known, discovered in a place few humans have ever visited. Scientists are now exploring this immense biological library, searching for new medicines where few have looked before. They collect samples from the ocean floor, hoping to unlock secrets that could save millions of lives. The ocean's organisms have developed powerful chemical defenses, some with the potential to fight cancer. These chemicals, created to protect against predators and harsh environments, might hold the key to revolutionary treatments. Today, we'll dive into this frontier, meet the unlikely heroes, and discover how the ocean could change the future of medicine. From tiny microbes to massive sea creatures, each could play a part in the next medical breakthrough. Let's begin our journey into the deep, where hope and discovery await. The answers we seek may be closer than we think, hidden just beneath the waves, ready to be found. To truly appreciate the excitement surrounding new discoveries in the ocean, it's important to first understand the immense challenge that cancer presents to scientists and doctors alike. Cancer is not just another disease, it's a complex and relentless adversary that has puzzled researchers for decades. To grasp why, we need to look at what makes cancer so unique and difficult to defeat. At its core, cancer is a rebellion of our own cells. These cells begin to grow uncontrollably, ignoring the normal rules that keep our bodies in balance. They multiply rapidly, invade nearby tissues, and can even travel to distant parts of the body, making them especially dangerous. What makes fighting cancer so tricky is that cancer cells are nearly identical to healthy cells. This similarity means that treatments must be extremely precise. Otherwise, they risk harming the very body they're meant to protect. Traditional treatments like chemotherapy, radiation, and surgery are powerful tools, but they can be blunt instruments. They often damage healthy tissue along with cancerous cells, leading to difficult side effects and long recovery times. Chemotherapy, for example, attacks all rapidly dividing cells, not just cancer. This is why patients often experience hair loss, fatigue, and other harsh side effects. Radiation therapy is more targeted, focusing energy on specific areas, but it still carries the risk of harming healthy cells nearby, which can lead to lasting complications. Surgery can be very effective at removing tumors, but it's not always an option, especially if the cancer has already spread to other parts of the body, making it impossible to remove completely. While these treatments have saved countless lives, the trade-offs are significant. Patients often face tough choices and challenging journeys through treatment and recovery. That's why scientists around the world are working tirelessly to develop smarter, more precise therapies, treatments that can zero in on cancer cells while sparing healthy ones, reducing side effects and improving outcomes. In their search for new solutions, researchers have turned to some of the most unexpected places on Earth, including the mysterious depths of the deep ocean, where unique life forms may hold the key to future cancer breakthroughs. The ocean covers over 70% of our planet, stretching across the globe in a seemingly endless expanse of blue. Its surface is familiar, but what lies beneath remains one of Earth's greatest mysteries. Despite its vastness, most of the ocean remains unexplored and largely unknown to us. The deep sea, in particular, is a world shrouded in darkness, pressure, and cold, where sunlight never reaches. In these extreme environments, life not only survives, it thrives. Marine organisms have adapted to these harsh conditions, evolving into master chemists capable of producing unique and powerful compounds. From the vibrant coral reefs to the mysterious deep-sea vents, these creatures create a dazzling array of complex chemicals. They use these substances to defend themselves from predators, communicate, and adapt to their ever-changing environment. Imagine the ocean as a vast, ancient pharmacy, its shelves lined with countless compounds and molecules. We've only just begun to unlock its secrets, and every new discovery could hold the key to treating diseases that have long plagued humanity. Some of these marine-derived molecules have already shown promise as potent anti-inflammatories and antivirals, offering hope for new treatments against infections and chronic illnesses. But perhaps most excitingly, researchers are finding compounds with remarkable anti-cancer properties, molecules that could one day form the basis of life-saving drugs. The structural complexity of these natural chemicals allows them to target specific proteins in our cells with incredible precision, something that synthetic drugs often struggle to achieve. This level of specificity is exactly what cancer researchers have been searching for, a way to attack cancer cells directly, while sparing healthy ones and reducing harmful side effects. Thanks to advances in technology, scientists can now venture into the ocean's depths, collecting and studying these extraordinary organisms in ways that were impossible just a few decades ago. As we explore further, the ocean is finally opening its treasure chest, revealing a wealth of potential medicines and scientific breakthroughs that could transform the future of healthcare. The next medical breakthrough may be waiting in the darkness below, hidden among the ocean's most mysterious and resilient life forms, just waiting to be discovered. Some of the first marine medicines came from the most unassuming creatures, sea sponges and sea squirts. These stationary filter feeders are chemical factories packed with bioactive compounds for defense. In the 1950s, a Caribbean sponge led to Aracea, a groundbreaking cancer drug still used today. Sea squirts gave us trabectedin, a powerful treatment for certain cancers. These discoveries proved the ocean's potential as a source of new medicines. Since then, thousands of unique compounds have been found in marine life, with several developed into approved drugs. Each new discovery reinforces the message. The ocean is a reservoir of untapped biomedical potential. Sponges and squirts paved the way, showing that deep-sea exploration is worth the effort. Their chemical ingenuity set the stage for even greater discoveries. The next chapter would take us even deeper. Driven by the promise of new medicines, scientists ventured to the deep-sea coral gardens off the Galapagos in 2024. Using robotic submersibles, they collected samples from ancient bamboo corals thriving in extreme conditions. In the lab, researchers discovered a new class of compounds, coralixins. These molecules, with their unique sugar-linked structures, showed astonishing anti-cancer activity. Coralixins were lethal to cancer cells, but left healthy cells unharmed, a true magic bullet. The discovery, published in a major journal, electrified the scientific community. Coralixins represented not just a new drug, but a whole new way to fight cancer. This breakthrough highlighted the immense value of exploring Earth's last wild frontiers. Nature's most powerful secrets are often hidden in its most remote places. From the ancient darkness of the deep sea, a new hope emerged. What makes coralixins so remarkable is their precision. Cancer cells crave sugar, a trait called the Warburg effect. Coralixins with their sugar component act as a Trojan horse. Cancer cells eagerly absorb them. Once inside, the molecule releases a cytotoxin that targets a protein pathway overactive in cancer cells. This triggers the cancer cell to self-destruct, while healthy cells are largely unaffected. The result? Potent, targeted killing of cancer with minimal side effects. Early studies suggest coralixins may even work against drug-resistant cancers. This is a shift from carpet bombing to guided missile therapy. Smarter, more elegant, and inspired by nature. Coralixins offer a new weapon in the fight against cancer, born from millions of years of evolution. Nature's ingenuity once again leads the way. The journey from deep-sea coral to medicine cabinet is fraught with challenges. Deep-sea corals grow slowly and live in fragile ecosystems. We can't harvest them on a large scale. Scientists must find ways to develop drugs without harming these ancient habitats. The solution? Decode the coralixin structure, then synthesize it in the lab or use biotechnology. By inserting coral genes into yeast or bacteria, we can produce coralixins sustainably. This approach, called synthetic biology, protects the environment while harnessing nature's genius. But it's a complex, time-consuming process requiring major investment. Navigating these challenges is essential, not just to find a cure, but to do so responsibly. Innovation must go hand in hand with conservation. The deep-sea dilemma demands that we be as creative as nature itself. Coralixins are just the beginning, a gateway to a new era of marine biotechnology. With genetic blueprints in hand, scientists can tweak and improve nature's molecules, creating even better medicines. Molecular engineering allows us to optimize these compounds for human health. Artificial intelligence now helps scan marine genomes, predicting which organisms might yield the next breakthrough. This data-driven approach accelerates discovery, making the search more efficient than ever. The ocean's chemical diversity could help us fight not just cancer, but superbugs, autoimmune diseases, and chronic pain. We're only beginning to catalog the ocean's treasures. The future promises a steady stream of discoveries that could transform medicine. By combining evolution's wisdom with human ingenuity, we're becoming partners in creating new cures. The ocean's potential is vast, and we've only scratched the surface. Our journey from the ocean's depths to the frontiers of medicine reveals a simple truth. Our health is tied to the health of the planet. The ocean is a living library of potential cures, but it's under threat from climate change, pollution, and overfishing. We risk losing life-saving discoveries before we even find them. Protecting the ocean isn't just about saving wildlife. It's about safeguarding our own future. Marine conservation is an act of self-preservation. The story of coralixins is a wake-up call. Biodiversity is invaluable, and we must protect it. Even in the darkest corners of the world, nature offers hope and solutions. This discovery is a gift and a responsibility. We must explore with respect and protect with passion. The ocean's promise is our promise. Let's keep it alive.